To make a friendly cat repellent, you will need white vinegar, lemon juice, an empty container, and rosemary. The concept is simple. Cats hate the smell of vinegar, lemon, and rosemary. Put the three together into a spray and spray it, and they will not go there. And add our rosemary. Fresh rosemary is best, but use what you have. Now you're going to add the lemon juice. Ratios aren't really important because all of the ingredients are cat repellents. Now we're going to add our white vinegar. Fill to the top of your container. Add your sprayer top and shake. You can use this spray in your house, outside of your house, anywhere you don't want any cats to go. This is a friendly way to repel cats.